I can't dig anymore. That is already setting up hard. I have to wet it down. That mattress will be a backstop for the arrows when I shoot from the far end of the garden. I'll put a couple of bag targets in front of it. All that watering I did out there yesterday, it rained all night last night. I mean all night, non-stop. Of course, the day the sun came out, pretty much dried up most of the ground. I managed to go out there and get some shingles down on that fence. That's quite a bit of work. Felt pretty good about that. Been watching YouTube all evening. It's kind of interesting to watch all the people in the different states going to the Costco's and buying up toilet paper and water, bleach, hand sanitizer. I've already done all that, so I think I'm in pretty good shape. What amazes me is how the people have not really believed that this virus is going to hit us like it's hitting the other countries. You'd think people would pay attention to what's out there, but I don't know what the problem is with people today. They stick their head in the sand and hide from all the problems in the world. One good thing about that rain last night, we got such a heavy rain, it totally saturated the ground, and the weeds that you see in the picture here, the little green weeds, some of those are standing like 7, 8, 9 inches high today. So tomorrow I'll actually have to run the lawnmower between the garden and the fence over there and some of this area just to get those weeds down. This is the trouble with where we live. When we turn the water off here, the ground is dry. If it rains, after the rain, the ground is dry. It may turn out to be one great big clod of dirt. That's it. And I've tried doing compost here. I can't. Compost won't even rot. It just sits there year after year. So I'll let this soak a little while, then I'll go back and dig. In the meantime, I gotta level some of this out a little bit. Might get the rototiller out here tomorrow.